Morning guys, Owen and Nick here from Factory 5 Racing. We're here at the Syracuse Nationals car show. We're going to be here all weekend. We're right by gate 2 on the corner. We got the whole cars here, you know, all of our kind of repertoire. And then Blueprint is just a booth down, so you can go talk to them. Great partners with them. Yeah, we got customers, we got all of our crew here, and we're looking to have a good time.
Yep. Any questions you have, we're here, and right here and now we have Justin the welder behind the camera.
Yep.
You can't see him, but he's here for questions. Owen and myself from tech support, so if there's anything you want to know, anything you want to touch on, and James from Blueprints here to help. We got quite the fleet for this event.
So yeah, we're excited. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna be here the whole weekend. The show is today, Saturday, and Sunday, and then we're getting out of here on Sunday. So we hope to see you here.
Sunday. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Hey guys, it's James with Blueprint Engines. I'm out here with Owen and the Factory 5 team. We're here at Syracuse, New York at the Syracuse Nationals show. Just saying hi, wanted to give you guys a heads up. We are here right on the main straight. We've got Factory 5's booth, and just 2 doors down we've got Blueprint Engines booth as well. So any questions you guys have on a Factory 5 kit or a Blueprint Engines powertrain, we're here to help. Anything we can do, we want to help you guys out and make sure you get taken care of.
Sounds good. Yeah, we're happy to just be able to point people a booth down. We're showing off one of their motors and ours right now. This is the Blueprint 347 in our new 30th anniversary Mark V kit. And so yeah, we're going to be here the whole weekend, and we're happy to be, you know, positioned right next to James and his crew. So we'll see you guys here. I'm here with one of our customers, George, and he happens to have one of our hot rods. And so we invited him to pull around and join us at the show. Tell me a little bit about your car.
I picked this up, I think 5 years ago, and it's a Gen 2, which I understand is the first one you put out. And I kept my eyes on this for a couple of years, and I decided, you know, when it came out with the Gen 2, I visited your store in Massachusetts, looked it over, went through the shop. They gave me the $3 tour. It was great. And they showed me all the things they improved and changed, and I was sold on it. Got a trailer, brought it home.
Awesome.
In pieces.
Cool. And, what did you decide to go with for a powertrain?
So I bought a wrecked 05 GTO, which came with the LS2 Corvette motor with the Tremec 6-speed transmission. So I bought that as a wreck and used as much as I could out of it for the swap. That's why I picked the LS2.
Cool.
It was just kind of a simple setup.
Awesome. Sounds good, and we're happy to have you join us here at the booth. And we'll be here until the end of the show on Sunday, so, you know, come by, stop by and check us out.